Hey, my loves, I am back with my faves at Beauty Forever Hair. So let's get on into this unit from Beauty Forever Hair. So this unit is a 22-inch T430 unit. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps for kind of forever. And look at that silk base parting. This parting gives very much scalp, but let's get into this unit. Now, we want to make sure that she looks very pumpkin spice and not at all jack-o'-lantern. We left that behind in October, okay? This unit is absolutely beautiful. And I'm saying she's beautiful especially because of her price point. She's just under $175 for 22 inches. And that to me is a win. Now you can go through and get this unit together. She literally takes about 5 good minutes of your time, okay? So she doesn't require a lot. And that 4x4 T-part lace is absolutely stunning. It definitely gives you that nude look that everybody wants. You want to remove those little like netting when you're wearing a lace front wig, and this is what that absolutely does. I did not experience much shedding at all. I didn't experience any tangling. I really enjoyed this unit, and because she's so inexpensive, I think it's worth going on AliExpress.com and checking out the Beauty Forever Hair store. This is from Beauty Forever Hair, and I'm super into her. I'm feeling very pumpkin spice in my Ivy Park, okay? I'm feeling all of this. I love the way the hair feels. The only thing is the way that it's dyed. I think if this unit was shorter, I would like it a little bit better. Other than that, I really was excited to try a different color hair, and they came through with pumpkin spice and everything nice with my honey drip, okay? And I am feeling all of it, guys. Like, literally, this is really stunning. The hair color is nice. I love the orange color on the bottom. Like, I don't even know what they like. I really do love that, but I'm feeling it. I was surprised, but I'm really into this, and I think you guys should check out Beauty Forever Hair. I keep this is they family to me, okay, and they know I love them. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the details for this unit below, and let me know what you guys are thinking about Mother. Okay, like I really cannot get enough of this unit. Check out Beauty Forever Hair, guys. Tell me what you guys are thinking about all this pumpkin spice love I'm giving right now. And I'll see you beautiful mugs later.